Nothing adds to a property's curb appeal like expert professional wood care. The warm and inviting color and grain of a beautifully stained and maintained fence or deck creates a backyard oasis for family and friends, a place to relax outdoors. At Expert Professional Wood Care, the life and beauty of all exterior woods is our #1 priority. Preserve and protect the natural beauty of exterior woods at every stage. With a complete 3-step range of products meant to clean, restore, and refinish new or existing exterior wood. To prepare your wood for staining and restaining, reference the Expert 3-step system. Step 1, cleaners and strippers, followed by Step 2, neutralizer and brightener, and Step 3, staining. Once the surface is prepared and dry, it's ready for Expert Stain and Seal. Available in heavy-duty, deep-penetrating oil-based fence and deck, and citronella-infused log and timber oil-based formula, also for fences and decks. The citronella formula also prohibits damage from wood-boring insects like termites, carpenter bees, and ants. Both of our low-maintenance oil-based stains are formulated to work with the natural characteristics of North American wood species, protecting them against harsh weather conditions unique to our North American climate. Maintain your property's investment easily and sustainably with Expert Stain and Seal. Ultra-low VOC Expert Stain and Seal uses only high-quality oils and pigments, producing less atmospheric gas off during application and well after the stain job is completed. These premium oils and pigments sink deep into the wood grain, protecting it from the inside out. Expert Stain and Seal creates a protective, long-lasting barrier. Over time, unstained wood becomes susceptible to the elements. As new lumber's natural oils deplete, the wood dries out. Sun causes UV damage and silvers the wood. Moisture is able to easily penetrate, swelling the wood. When the wood dries, it shrinks, and the process repeats, causing more warping, cupping, shrinking, cracking, and splitting, weakening wood's structural integrity. Expert Stain and Seal is fast, easy to use, and economical. It won't chip, crack, or peel, and reapplies without stripping or sanding. It doesn't drip, run, or leave lap marks. Available in 24 tones and 3 finishes: transparent, semi-transparent, and semi-solid. Visit our website to select the best color and finish for your next staining project. Reapply maintenance coats when water no longer beads, or as needed to maintain the natural beauty and color of your wood. Enjoy the long-lasting beauty and protection of expertly stained fences, decks, patio furniture, log homes, gazebos, and sheds. Protect your investment, add value, and increase curb appeal using Expert Professional Wood Care from FenceArmor.com. Whether you do it yourself or you're a pro contractor, you can expect expert performance with our Expert Professional Wood Care products. To plan your next project or to order, go to FenceArmor.com/woodcare.